I think that's great.
The girlfriend and I took the most magical trip to Orcas Island. It's in Washington. It is great. It is such a vibe, whether you go in the winter or the summer. Now, this trip is in the winter, so there's not gonna be a ton of people, but it was such a cozy vibe, that's for sure. This is like the main strip of town. We branched out because we're travelers, so we went around like the east side, the west side. There's not really a north and a south side, but we explored pretty much a good general sense of the entire island, and we're taking you along on the journey. First, let's get settled into our room and then we'll go out.
Can you get a bag so I can throw it in there? Fan on the texture. And then that goes to the back for the... Please let us know if there's anything you need. Oh, it's handwriting.
We have a fireplace too, Alice. We have a balcony! Ah!
We should have brought our slippers. Can we get house slippers?
I think this is okay.
Now that we've explored the room, let's go out and explore the island. So we went to the top of this mountain. It was so cold. It was so rainy. It was so windy. We kind of just went to the top and back down. Yeah, we're done from there.
Aren't I supposed to walk behind you so you...
Not here.
This one's closed, girlfriend.
Do not make gaspy sounds, please.
No?
No. See?
It's quite misty, eh?
See? Are we Canadian today?
Oh my god, it's so windy.
Oh, you cannot see.
No, look at the fog blowing this way.
I know.
Crazy.
So close your eyes and pretend this is what you see.
Yeah, okay.
For me.
I'm sure this is why they have it.
Oh, so narrow.
Be careful. Oh my gosh, you're gonna hurt your blades. Back it up. Back it up. Oh my gosh.
Okay, everyone's okay.
Okay, buddy. I just don't want you to harm us. Poor little fins. Stop it. Go.
What?
Okay, I'm going. Shut it. Shut it.
Alice,
Go away.
stop running. Baby, I'm with you. I'm right. You know if you run away from me, I can't protect you. What are you gonna do?
Don't trip. Boyfriend, it's dangerous. You're so weird.
Swimming with the sharks. I was swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control. You set the play in motion. Couldn't be a bigger ocean. Tell me, darling, is this what you want?
Some of the basic drone shots were amazing, and then oh my gosh, the FPV through the forest, these action shots, come on, they are pretty good, right? I love them. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.
It works when it's facing up.
We found this huge Christmas tree. There's like a little thing over there, and that's also handicap accessible for Jimmy.
On the first day of
So we found a museum that's closed for the winter. Then there's a bunch of like names of people that did stuff. And then there's this thing, which is a pelican. Oh my gosh, you can see the guts in the back. Look. Oh, that's fruit?
Oh, no, there's a face.
Oh, nope. The pelicans ate people.
This looks very tribal.
Very
Look,
tribal.
and then there's Tupperware. As an offering.
Oh, nice. Wait, that's actually really cool. What's in there? Looks like grapes or something.
Maybe someone forgot. It looks moldy.
Oh, so it's not an offering. They have this guy.
calling to the better of the halves. show it.
Dude, what is this? Oh, you can buy it. 1,500 for this chair. It has a hole in it. Oh, it's another gallery, so it's another art thing. Yo. Dang, that's awesome. Look at the dog.
Oh.
That. I hope the dog wasn't in there when that happened.
That night we kind of just chilled in our hotel, so let's skip to the second day and explore the island through some cinematic FPV footage.